Cornelia Sorabji. While women in Britain were campaigning for the right to vote, Cornelia Sorabji became the first woman to practice law in India. After she received a first-class degree from Bombay University in 1888, British supporters helped to send her to Oxford University. She was an Indian lawyer, social reformer, and a writer. She was the first female graduate from Bombay University, the first woman to study law at Oxford University, and the first female advocate in India. Lily Isabel Thomas. She joined the Madras High Court in 1955 and later on went to become the first woman to complete the LLM course from Madras University. Advocate Lily Thomas was responsible for striking down of Section 8(4) of the Representation of the People's Act 1951 to disqualify a legislator immediately when convicted for 2 or more years' prison. Another social evil she noticed was about husbands who were converting to another religion just to have more than one wife. Her petition stopped this social evil as well. Anna Chandy. Justice Anna Chandy, also known as Anna Chandy, was the first female judge and then High Court judge in India. She was in fact one of the first female judges in the British Empire next to Emily Murphy. She practiced as a barrister from 1929 while simultaneously promoting the cause of women's rights, most notably in Srimati, a magazine that she founded and edited. She is often described as a first-generation feminist. In her retirement, Chandy served on the Law Commission of India and also wrote an autobiography titled Atmakatha in 1973. Zia Modi. She is an Indian corporate lawyer and businesswoman. She is the daughter of Soli Sorabji, a former Attorney General of India. She was a founding partner of AZB and Partners, one of the India's leading law firms and one of India's foremost corporate attorneys. She has worked with GE, Tata Group, Reliance Industries, Aditya Birla Group, and the Vedanta Group. She is #1 ranked as the most powerful women entrepreneurs by Fortune India in 2018 and 2019. Zia Modi's charity almost entirely goes to the Baha'i faith. Mira Sahib Fatima Biwi. She is a former judge of the Supreme Court of India. Appointed to the Apex Court in 1989, she became the first female judge to be a part of the Supreme Court of India and the first Muslim woman to be appointed to any of the higher judiciaries in the country. On her retirement from the court, she served as a member of the National Human Rights Commission and later as the governor of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu from 1997 to 2001. Leela Seth. She was an Indian judge who served as the first woman judge on the Delhi High Court and became the first woman to become Chief Justice of a state high court, Himachal Pradesh High Court, on 5th August 1991. She was also the first lady lawyer to be designated as a senior counsel by the Supreme Court of India. She was a member of the 15th Law Commission of India from 1997 to 2000 and was responsible for the amendments to the Hindu Succession Act that gave equal rights to daughters in joint family property. Dr. Neeru Chadha. She was the first woman chief advisor to the Ministry of External Affairs and she was the first Indian woman member of the International Tribunal for the Law of the Seas. She did her graduation from the University of Michigan and the University of Delhi and joined the Legal and Treaties Division of the Ministry of External Affairs in 1992. And in the process, she became the first woman legal advisor on international law, not just in India, but the whole of South Asia, according to Indian Law News. Thank you for watching.
Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.